Welcome to today's tutorial. If you are looking to monetize your website or blog, joining the NameCheap affiliate programs is a fantastic way to earn commission by promoting their services in just few minutes. I will guide you through the simple steps to get started. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for the NameCheap affiliate program. Click on the official link to access their affiliate homepage. Here you will find the information you need about the program and its benefits. NameCheap partner with three major affiliate networks: Impact Radius, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. Select the network that suits you best and click on the Enroll Here button. This will lead you to the application process. Now it's time to complete your registration form. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a username. Make sure to create a strong password for your account. Next, fill your company information if applicable. Don't forget to read through the affiliate agreement carefully before submitting your application. This step is a crucial and it outlines how you'll earn commission and what expected of you. After submitting your application, NameCheap will review it within a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for a verification link. Once you verify your email, your application will be processed and you will receive confirmation once approved. Once approved, log in to your affiliate dashboard where you can access your unique affiliate links and promotional materials like banners and text links. Use these tools to promote Namecheap products on your website and social media platforms. And there you have it. Join the Namecheap affiliate program is a quick and straightforward, allowing to start earning commission in no time. If you find the tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy promoting.